What are volcanoes? Volcanoes are essentially vents on the Earth's surface, usually existing along the edges between tectonic plates. Molten rock, debris, and gases from the planet's interior are emitted here. When thick magma and large amounts of gas build up under the surface, eruptions can be explosive, expelling lava, rocks, and ash into the air, and often causing lava to ooze from the vent. How are mountains formed?
Mountains are formed by something called convergent plate boundaries. This is when two tectonic plates converge, in which the thinner of the two subducts beneath the other. The thicker one is forced upwards, crumpled, and faulted, forming mountain ranges. Or both plates are smashed together and are forced upwards. Either of these form mountains.
What is an ocean basin, and what is seafloor spreading?
About 70% of the planet's surface is made up of ocean basins, which are the regions below sea level. These areas hold the majority of Earth's water and contain features such as ocean ridges and deep-sea trenches. The ocean floor is always changing as well. At mid-ocean ridges, magma rises up between the tectonic plates, cools, expands, and pushes the plates on either side of it, causing the seafloor to spread. Because this happens at mid-ocean ridges, the age of the seafloor is progressively older farther away from the mid-ocean ridges.
What are earthquakes?
Earthquakes are caused by something called transform boundaries. This is where tectonic plates slide and grind past each other. The plates can get locked together at the boundary where they meet, or the fault line. As the plates try to move, friction and stress build up below the surface at the hypocenter. When the stored energy is released, the earth shakes, and this is an earthquake. The point on the surface directly above the hypocenter is called the epicenter, and this is where the earthquake is the strongest.
Time for a recap. We learned what volcanoes are and what causes their eruptions. We also learned about how convergent boundaries form mountains. We talked about ocean basins and the crazy concept of seafloor spreading. And lastly, we learned about earthquakes and what causes them.